Hello! Hi everyone, it's me, Mila Rose, and I'm back for another video. As you can see, y'all know what time it is. It's time for sinking funds, cash stuffing. We've got our money set aside. We've got our sinking funds all pulled up. We've got our envelopes to put everything away. So we are ready to go. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I make videos about designing a life that you love around budgeting, planning, sometimes doing Vlogmas, sometimes doing some Vlogtober, sometimes doing some day in the life and things like that, movie reviews. So you can catch a little bit of everything here, but you'll always find videos about budgeting, savings, paying off debt, making large purchases, all of that fun stuff. Because when we design a life we love, that is how we get the things that we enjoy in life. If you have not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you can always know when I'm posting new things. Hit that notification bell. That'll let you know when those new videos pop up. I post pretty consistently on Thursdays and Saturdays. That's when you can catch me with these new budgeting videos. And then I throw in all the extra fun stuff in between. All right, let's get started because we have, as you all know, who have been here before, quite a few of these videos, of these envelopes to go. I've got my lovely kitties. All right, got them squared away. Okay, let's get started. All right, we're starting with parents' anniversary, and we have quite a few ones, so we will not be on the struggle train this month. We will just be pulling them out and going. They get 3 ones for parents' anniversary. That puts us at $28 for them. Boom. Let's keep it moving. I feel like this is going to be a super quick, super easy sinking funds, at least for this first part, because we have some actual money to make things happen. Then we have our mom's B-Day. It's a 21. It's getting $3 as well. 1, 2, 3. Puts us at $24 for mom. We'll also be at $24 for our dad. So I'm going to go ahead and write that down just so that I don't have to come back and do that in just a couple of seconds. Super easy, super quick, knocking them out today. Go ahead and just set this down. Here's our dad's B-Day envelope. $21. 1, 2, 3. $24. Ooh, we're done. This is great, y'all. It is so nice. All right, then we'll just put these away. Next, we are going to be looking at my sister's birthday. She also gets $3. Oh, we should have mom. Here we go. Let's do Mother Father Day. That's at $6. $6. Oh, it surely is. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it's supposed to get 3 more. So I'll do 1, 2, 3. And let's see how much that comes out to. That should be 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're going to go ahead and give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and switch that out. And make sure that's right. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Perfect. I already got some of those ones back. Let's go, y'all. All right, let me put that one away. Okay. And then update this to be $9. Sis's B-Day. All right, so we finished out hers for this year. Now we're working on 2023, and she has $4 there. She gets $3 more, so 1, 2, 3. We're gonna go ahead and count that out, and that's gonna be 7. We're going to count out 5 and switch out a 5. Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. count that out, switch that out. There we go. She's at 7 now. We are done. Moving on. Okay. And now 7. Now we move on to Juneteenth / 4th of July. That should be at $2. 1, 2. It gets another 2. I'm just going to throw those $2 in there. We're at $4 for Juneteenth / 4th of July. Put that away. And then we've got Thanksgiving. $165. Ooh, Thanksgiving. Okay. Make sure we have that 165, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 50, 65. $15, a 10, and a 5. And a 5. There we go. All right, so we've got that 100, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80. 180. Ooh, we're almost at $200. Gonna be a nice Thanksgiving this year. $200 or 180 for Thanksgiving. Okay, Christmas gets 25, and we are already at $250 for Christmas. So let's make sure that's correct. 20, 40, 60, 81. 20, 40, 60, 82. 20, 40, 50, 250 plus another 25. 25. All right, so there's 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 275. Alrighty. Get that nice and updated to 275. New Year's gets $10. And we should be at 115 once we add that 10. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 105. Here's another 10. Me trying to decide if I want to go ahead and trade those out. I think the 20s will be fine. You know what? No, let's trade that out and get these 10s back and add that 20. All right. So, should be at that 115, 20, 40, 60, 81. Yes, 15. Yeah, that's much nicer. A little less work to do. All right. So there's New Year's with 115. And then $5 for Valentine's. I think Valentine's might have an envelope. Oh, it doesn't, but it does have a section. At least we've got a section. Okay, so we're at 20, 25, 30, 35. Perfect. 20, 25, 30, 35. Yes, and it gets $5, so now we're at 40. For some reason, this was off a little bit, and I don't remember why. But it's at 40 now. That's right. And that's it, y'all. Ooh. We are right at 10 minutes, which is exactly where I like to be. We're done, y'all, for the first page, for our first half of our sinking funds. And now we can just go grab and get ready for our second half. I hope you enjoyed watching. I hope your sinking funds are just adding up. That it's just easy peasy. You grab the money out, you put the money away, you save it up, and you use it up when it's time to use them. That's what sinking funds are for. So thanks for watching, y'all. Again, if you made it this far, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can catch more videos from me. And I'll see y'all later. Have a great one. Bye-bye.